Teacher Naledi knows the importance of good communication skills. She helps her learners to communicate clearly, concisely, and by using a logical sequence.
My learners often struggle to communicate their thoughts or ideas effectively. First, I help my learners by giving everyone regular opportunities to communicate as an individual. I have 2 jars. I write every learner's name on a stick and place it in jar 1. When I ask a question or ask for a learner's input, I pull a stick from jar 1 and call on that learner. Then, once the learner has spoken, I place the name stick in jar 2. Once all names have been transferred to jar 2, I start the process again. This way, all my learners have regular chances to speak as individuals. As each learner speaks, I listen carefully and try to help them to focus their ideas, give a clear answer, get to the point, and use a logical sequence. My classroom is a safe space for my learners to share their thoughts and ideas. When I do correct them, I do it in a positive, supportive way. I never belittle or humiliate learners. This is important because confidence is a key element of communication.
Let's see how teacher Morongwa Kekana helps her individual learners to communicate clearly.
Aga bana baka ikole re ya go dira pele ga ge re bala re ya go kamaka kanegelo kopana ya rena pete e kgolo. Titelo ke nyaka o lebelele seswantšho se o mpotse gore go diragalang mo seswantšhong se.
Ke bona terata le dikotana le papa le setlhare.
Ke a leboga Titelo o lekile a kere aga jwalo ke nyaka o tšee motsotso o gopodišiše a kere o gopole ka seswantšho se gore ke eng se botlhokwa se se diragalang mo seswantšhong se.
Kanaelo e bolela ka molemi.
O nagana gore ke molemi? Aga re tlo bala kanegelo kopana ya rena ra tla ra kgontiša gore ke molemi. E tloga e le karabo e botse Titelo ke a leboga.
I know that active listening is a very important part of effective communication. I use a strategy called turn and talk in my classroom for many activities. When I tell learners to turn and talk, they know that they must work with a partner and that they each have a turn to speak and a turn to listen. When it is time to report back, I usually ask a learner to tell me what their partner said. This encourages active listening. Tepo, you have been talking about what you want for your birthday. What did your partner Dineo say she wants?
Dineo wants a puppy for her birthday.
What else can you tell us about the puppy she wants?
The puppy must be small and cuddly and black.
Dineo, is that correct? Is that the kind of puppy you want?
No, teacher. I said I want a big golden puppy.
Oh dear. Remember class, it is very important for us to listen actively to our partners. We must listen for details. It feels good when we are heard. It does not feel good when we are not heard.